You're 35, staring at your reflection, wondering why your skin's a mess, your energy's tanked, and your doctor's handing you pills for high cholesterol. But here's the kicker. It all started with that just one more fry basket at lunch. Yeah, oily foods aren't just a guilty pleasure, they're silently wrecking your world. Stick around, because in the next few minutes, I'm breaking down exactly how this sneaky habit is destroying lives and what you can do before it's too late. 1 in 3 adults battle obesity. Oily foods are the hidden culprit. Let's get real. That crispy fried chicken or those loaded nachos, they're loaded with trans fats and saturated oils that hit your arteries like a freight train. Over time, this builds up plaque, narrowing your blood vessels and spiking your risk for heart attacks. I remember my buddy Mike, fit guy in his 40s, loved his weekly burger runs. Boom! One day he's in the ER with chest pains. Doc said his cholesterol was through the roof from years of greasy takeout. It's not dramatic like a movie, it's quiet, creeping in with every bite. And don't get me started on your liver. It turns into a fat storage unit, leading to fatty liver disease that messes with everything from your digestion to your mood. Studies from the American Heart Association show folks chowing down on high-oil diets are 50% more likely to develop cardiovascular issues by midlife. Crazy, right? Your body's screaming for a break, but you're drowning it in oil. Excess oil intake linked to 1.5 times higher inflammation rates. Harvard Health. Ever finish a greasy meal and feel like you could nap for days? That's no coincidence. Oily foods spike your blood sugar fast, then crash it hard, leaving you foggy-brained and irritable. We're talking brain fog that kills your focus at work. Imagine bombing that big presentation because your mind's swimming in sludge. And mentally, it ramps up inflammation in your brain, linking to higher depression and anxiety rates. I talked to a nutritionist friend who sees this all the time. Clients addicted to fries end up with mood swings that strain relationships. One study from the UK's NHS found that diets heavy in fried stuff correlate with a 30% bump in mental health issues. It's like your brain's on a roller coaster it never signed up for. Plus, that constant fatigue, it robs you of gym time, hobbies, even quality time with family. Life starts feeling like a drag, all because of what's on your plate.
Now let's hit where it hurts, your mirror. Oily foods clog pores like nobody's business, leading to acne outbreaks that make you want to hide. We're not talking teen pimples. Adults get cystic stuff that scars and ages you prematurely. Wrinkles show up earlier because all that oxidative stress from bad oils breaks down collagen. And wait, forget the scale for a sec. It's the visceral fat around your organs that's deadly, upping diabetes risk by double digits per the CDC. Think about it. Weekends lost to feeling bloated, clothes that don't fit, confidence tanking at social events. I know a woman in her 30s who ditched oily snacks and said it was like getting her life back. Clearer skin, more energy for dates and adventures. But stick with the grease and you're signing up for a cycle of yo-yo dieting, joint pain from extra pounds, and even sleep apnea that leaves you wrecked every morning. Oily diets plus 25% risk of type 2 diabetes, WHO data.
All right, enough doom. Let's flip this. Ditching oily foods isn't about deprivation. It's about smart swaps that save you. Start small. Grill instead of fry. Use olive oil sparingly. Load up on veggies and lean proteins. Apps like MyFitnessPal can track it without the hassle. One tip from pros, batch cook air-fried veggies. Taste amazing without the oil bomb. And the payoff? Heart health rebounds, energy soars, skin glows. People who've made the switch report dropping 10 to 20 pounds in months, feeling sharper, even sleeping better. You're not doomed. You're one decision away from turning it around. If this hit home, drop a like, share your oily food horror story in the comments, and subscribe for more real talk health tips. Your future self will thank you. Let's make it happen.